Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be working on the E-Flight Turbo Timber first generation. We're going to be working on installing an upgraded suspension system. This is from Falcon RC shop. I will include a link to this product below. This one in particular is for the Turbo Timber. I do believe it fits the Turbo Timber Evolution and the Nighthawk. Right now they're having a sale, and in no way sponsored by them, though if you're listening, Falcon, I would gladly appreciate some free products to test out for you guys. The plane that we're gonna be working on today is Turbo Timber, and it comes stock with spring suspensions. Boom. So you see here, let me zoom in on that. We have these wheels and it has these spring suspensions. I did some research, and these shocks are supposed to improve the landing, make it a lot more durable, a lot more butter-like. So I figured, why not make a video on it?
Remove the springs. I forgot to press record and didn't get footage of the measuring and drilling ... OPPS.
Where the bend is in the landing gear, you see there, I had to mark 10 millimeters down so that you can make space for the control arm to go. So now we're going to install a control arm bracket. All right, so the control arms are installed. The bracket goes here and gets fastened, and then have the hydraulics on like a ball joint. So there's a little give, which is good, it's what you want. Okay, there you have it. They are installed. Look at this. It took me a total of about 15 minutes to get everything installed. So let's take it out to the field and give it a field test. Okay, so really quickly, we're here out at the airfield. The plane is binded, it's ready to go. Camera, we're trying an experimental mount. Let's hope I don't lose the footage. But here we go, hope you guys enjoy.
I couldn't drift on spring suspension. I almost got taken out. Butter. This is the only clip I have showing the pulled suspension bottoming out. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Typical. The suspension wouldn't rebound.
Okay guys, and we're back. I hope you all enjoyed that flight video showcasing the new suspension upgrade. I guess we've reached the portion of the video where it's time for me to give you my opinion on this product. For the low price point of $45, in my opinion, I think you're getting a tremendous value. After only a couple of flights, I've already noticed a significant improvement in both the performance of the landing and the takeoff. I think it would be interesting to make a follow-up video in about 6 months to a year to see how the product is holding up. But if I had to guess, I think my opinion would remain unchanged. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning any downsides. Honestly, I had a tough time finding any. If there is one thing I would mention,
Really, bro?
a minor inconvenience, it would be the need to drill new holes in the landing braces. However, even as someone that is relatively new to the hobby, I managed this with minimal difficulty. That being said, I would highly recommend this upgrade to anyone that is flying a turbo timber, a twin timber, or a Draco. I think for the price point, you're getting a lot of value. Not only does it improve the performance, it also adds an aesthetically pleasing look to it too. So with that being said, I would rate this a 9 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. Over and out.